Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. I think we could probably do this video in under 4 minutes because nothing's really sold. These are the sales from yesterday, the 17th, 16th. So only 8 orders on eBay, 47 bucks from this store. First is Houston, Texas Astrodome Trailblazer Restaurant, 1965 pre-opening. I've had these inside the Astrodome cards before, and that's about what they're going for, $14.99. I think, wasn't the Astrodome torn down? And here's another Astrodome Club Men's Bar, 1965. I think this does say on the back it's like a private domain of the male members. So that one sold for $14.99 to the same buyer. This is Scottsdale, Arizona, American Heritage Wax Museum, Battle of the Alamo. So scene or diorama or whatever you want to call it of the one of the battles. The Battle of Alabama. How about the Alamo? Oh my God, I'm not gonna edit that out. I sound like an idiot. You all deserve to hear it. Battle of the Alamo, $5.99. Oh yeah. This is multi-view greetings from Aruba. I cracked myself up. Came in the auction lots that I won back in August. $2.49. Got a whole bunch of them. Coney Island, New York, 1908 View Balmer's Bathing Pavilion. And that was $6.99. I've had that for... It's been up for 6+ years. Gray Line Motor Bus Tours, Salt Lake City. So pretty cool old advertising for bus tours. $4. Thought that should sell a little higher, but $4 is $4. Space, Apollo 11 Moon Landing, 1969 astronauts. Seismic experiments. Surprised I could say seismic correctly. Came in the auction buyout from last August, $2.99. Actually, I think it was the best offer at $2.50. Postcard Cheapskates takes her to movies with her money. Artist signed Charles 12 Trees. Now yesterday's video sold a Charles 12 Trees, and it was printed down here with his name. There's his actual signature. So little C, big T for Charles 12 Trees. Nice little postcard. $5.99 or at 3 minutes. And over on airplane postcards or plane postcards, whatever it is, haven't done anything on that for the last month. This one sold TWA Trans World Airlines, Lockheed L1049 Constellation. Same plane card that the guy with the 5 user IDs bought. So I probably have 200 of these or more. So relisted it, sold for $3.99. And then this was a decent sale here. SAS Thai Airways Royal Orchid Service. So I'm not sure if this is airline issued or not. Might be. But $19.99 for that one. So that was a good sale. And just a quick plug tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Got my auction on Whatnot. I have some more good giveaways, some nice postcards, and that tobacco album is incredible, and then some ships. So come check me out tonight on Whatnot. Get some hopefully some free stuff, and buy some decent cards. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. Y'all have a good day.